Didi, see this.
Spread of novel coronavirus disease can be stopped. Washing your hands with soap after coughing and sneezing and before holding your child could stop spreading it. Help us to help you. Visit your nearest health facility if you have cough, fever or difficulty in breathing, or contact helpline number 9111 2397 8046.